Good evening mga bistak. Good evening mga Kodakers. Congratulations to us. Nakaabot na yung tag 1,000 subscribers. Katuod siya kung di ka maabutan. So, salamat kaayo. Dakahan kayo ng salamat. Karon kay medyo busy man niya. Kailangan mong kumuhatag ng bago nga content. 3 years ago, niadto mi sa Camotes. Unya, niadto mi aning gitawag nila ang Holy Crystal Cave. Unya, dili ko sigurado nga kung inigsulod na mo dito, pwede ba mag-picture-picture. Sumoto nga, patago lang ko nga na gamit sa akong cellphone nga nag-video. Kunya ang bantay dito, tag-iyaman siguro na siya sa luna yun, sa lote, in which na dito ang cave si Mr. Formentera. Pag siya ang nakadiskubre kay iyahang lote, siya ang ermitanyo at ng kuweba. Siya ang gatour sa mga dito sa sulod. Unya sa akong pag-video sa akong cellphone, Gikalit bitaw niya og ilog akong cellphone. Kuya, wala lagi na ko. Perte yun. Nakulbaan ko, abi na ko yung embargohon. Pero salit lang perte akong kalipay kay siya mismo, si Mr. Formentera ang nigamit sa akong cellphone. Mao nga kaninga video, swerte kaayo ta kay siya mismo, without restrictions, siya mismo ang nagdala sa akong cellphone na nag-video kasulod sa Holy Crystal Cave sa Camotes. So nindot kayo ni nga video mo na nga ako ni siyang i-upload karon og balik kay wala man jud ni siya nako natarong og share atong tan-awon unya kay bawo ka ni Mr. Formentera atong gabantay sa cave. Asus English speaking.
So they call it cave because it's dark.
Okay.
Welcome now to go to the preparation. We are here now. We add neem crystals, drawing the attention to the forest. That's why we name it now Holy Crystal Cave. So this is the pride of Cebu. Looks like a Magellan's cross in Cebu City. This is it. Here. Something like this. You can look the crystals. Looks like a Magellan's cross in Cebu City here. Our pride of Cebu. Ang angayan natong ipasigarbo. This is the stalactites. This is the active cave. They produce water from the rain. Stalac is on the ceiling C. Stalag is on the ground, G. 1 inch of the stalactites equivalent to 100 years, respectively. This is the slowest and the hardest form. The second story of Touch Me Not, allowing me to present to all of you, help me welcome the no limitang hero portion given to us by our late hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. Hikapaku ayaw. Touch Me Not is here now. That's why we don't allow to put an electricity. Electricity cannot be here because damaging it to the cave. We should protect the beauty of the nature for the next generation to come. To not all of you that, at first I'm sure of ignorance regarding caving, but now I'm full of knowledge of how to take good care by the suggestions given to me by all Europeans. They would like to help me to educate here. I'm also the one who helped all of us to educate. I'm not greedy. I would like to share my learning experience of how to love the beauty of the nature and embracing it for the future because sharing for me is the best to care and loving. Even to touch the dripping water. The dripping water cannot be to touch because this is the growing stalactites. The grow will stop if we touch this because it will contaminated by the acidic hands. So, holistic figures given by the altar. This is it. By this time to know why we name it Soli, this is the answer. We will figure out now. Its stand looks like a dog or poodle. The Senor San Roque looks. Virgin of the Rolia from Lapu-Lapu, Birhin Sarigla is here now. Come and go down here to witness. Mind your steps to go down, sir, ma'am. Because this is the slippery place and then this is the active cave. We can manage ourselves. You know what? The amazing identification to all the press, those who visited already here. From Medellin, Cebu, San Francisco in our town, Sacramento, California pressed, Poro, Camotes pressed, Loa and Danao City pressed, Santa Cruz, Manila pressed, Caloocan City pressed, Canada and Taiwan pressed during the Eucharistic Congress last year happened in our city of Cebu. Our very own press from Cebu, from Santo Niño, Nueva Ecija pressed, and the American Nationals identified as this is the Holy Trinity Theologs. Holy Father, Holy Son, and the Holy Spirit. Before we go here to enter the kingdom, the Latin prayer to be used is Holy Trinity. I will call three persons to guide, to cooperate, to protect. All are guided here. Me, the guest, and the cave. That no one could go here inside without me, because I'm the key of everything. I'm not using a Visayan prayer in our dialect to pray because damaging it to the cave. To not all of you, if I want to make a billionaire, yes I am, because this is the very expensive stones. Things nothing happen, because this is the gift and the blessings to all of us. A lot of offer from me, but all of them are rejected because I choose happiness. Real to find decision, something like my decision, stay forever, to love the beauty of the nature, to protect, to respect, to embrace, and most of all, to preserve. St. Francis de Assisi looks with us here. It looks like an angel here. And then welcome back to, this is now the crystals here. The crystals here are shining, shimmering, sparkling, and splendid. The curtain crystals to the top, it looks like a scallop. So the three wise men looks given by us. The mother and the child looks here. Mama Mary carrying the baby here. Holy Family looks. The mother, the son, and the father. To the top, the heart shape is the Sacred Heart of Jesus looks. To the top. And then the amazing looks over here. Since when I was discovered as, it is 21 years now, but still baby until this time. We are proud being Cebuano. I'm proud being a Camotesanon because Senor Santo Niño is residing here now. By the time to now to witness the looks of Senor given by us. Here. Piecing it here. Our patron saints on Cebu. The Blessed Virgin Mary looks by the veil here. The hand of our Almighty Father looks here. And then the big crystals. Kill nothing but time. Take nothing but pictures. Leave nothing but footprints. And steal nothing but memories. Rare to find cave and Camotes. That's why we are #1 tourist attraction. So crystals is over here. To not all of you, the crystals inside the cave, diamonds. Lots of expert visited already here. Yep. So we have a tiger look. To this portion, here is the tiger look.
Yeah.
And then, this cave is a 1,000,000 years old cave. Because to this portion, each will column here. Column means it closely intact. This is it. The crystals from the top, down here. Loner sent Santa Filomena alone here. And then we'll come back to look the crystals once again. And then this is the time to know that I'm declaring this, that this camera using now to make a video as 258 camera capturing the rainbow color of crystals out of 24,000 visited already here. This camera is very expensive. You just try to take a look here to observe what I've said. Don't pinpoint the plus lights, only shadow need here. So, to this portion, you can go there, Mom. The crystals once again. Here. That's why we will preserve this. Good for the next generation to come. Kaya kung gusto lang kong mag-bilyonaryo, wala na. Bilyonaryo na ko ron. I'm sorry. I'm not doing that for my own. For the welfare of everybody that I would like to help to educate. That's the reason why God choosing me as a cave discoverer of this. Crystals. Thank you so much, Cebu City guest, for coming here to visit. Crystals anywhere. You can take shots to that portion, at the center. So, this is the owner of the camera. Sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This is the best camera. 258 camera. Capturing the rainbow color of crystals.
Thank you.
It is not bad. So, top 3 crystals. Croydon crystals. Everything is